Okay, so I am just recording this video to make sure that your whole work is completed with all the things you have said to me. Like this is I have added a video in the embedded code with the original source a little bit edited, but it's a premium look of website, so you can see. Okay, so all the things are connected with the animation and the JavaScript, and after that this is one more animation I have added in the sliders, so you can see here. Okay, signature floor designs. Okay, 3 to 4 sliders with animations I have added, and after that these all the things are the products and everything. Like you have said to me to change the calculator sign, the currency sign, so I did change, and hope sure make sure that you have seen the calculator already. So the person will add here any type of waste, like uh, 89 or something, and the pound sign you here you can see. Also here is a help desk I have added with all the things, and it got a lot of time. Every little thing I have changed, it got a lot of time, and it took around 3 days of my workings. And this is our chatbot, which is a virtual assistant. I have made this trend with the very heavier source of data. You can see here around 2000 chatbot questions and answers have already inquired, and if you ask any of question, it will gonna be ask you, it will gonna be giving you a response very quick. So let us check. Okay, so if I say hi, okay, good order. Okay, payment methods. Okay, payments. Oh, okay, great, it's working fine. So anything you will ask, if I say help, or if I say help me in order tracking or something. Okay, directly anything you will ask, it will gonna give you the answer. Okay, now coming back to the home page, and one more thing I also sent the screenshots of that. Here you can see the delivery, contact us, free cash, trade account, and sliders. And here you can see the Instagram, your Instagram modern floors also added, and your Facebook here, modern floors. Okay, okay, Pinterest, maybe I don't have logged in to the Pinterest, so it will be fine. Okay, so TikTok, and it's all about the modern floors. Okay. Now coming to the contact us page. Okay, so these all are the things which I have added here. It's all active and working. Okay, but these two banks are just a promotional way, because the one who will buy will gonna buy through the help of add to cart and then payment. Okay, so now we're coming to the contact us. Here I have added your email, so anyone just click and he can send you the email. And if anyone wants to join on your WhatsApp, so it will be fine for that. The video will be short, and you can see and you can tell me, but the reason of making this video is simple, that your work is done here, all the main things that you have told. So if anything is still I did wrong information added or anything, you can tell me and I will do change. Okay.